Hey guys, here we are getting started on another project. We got a 146-foot dock on here. Really surprising me it's out that far, but we got grass beds we got to get out past, so that's the reason for that. We don't want to build the platform and boathouse over top of the grass beds, or actually don't allow it. But we got one we just finished up next door right there, as you can see, and we're getting our batter poles out. We got one out there right now. Got a couple we're going to go through the middle right here. Once we get them set up, then we'll run our string lines and get started on setting poles. This is going to be piling wrapped also, so the guys are getting set up piling wrapping the poles as well. There's a load of poles on the barge already. Get ready to start putting all those in place. Our customer next door shot this picture while we were out working steadily in the rain. Well, this sucks. All 50 piling set. We got the main dock and platform framed up and decking put down. Got to work on the catwalk now. We ran out of material, so we're headed back down to the boat ramp to get materials for framing on the catwalk, and also get the framing up on the top of the. Hey guys, as you can see behind me now, we got a pretty good load. I've actually got two barges here. All the framing for the roof, the two boat lifts, the plywood. We're pushing it back to the job site now. We go ahead and get it dropped off so we get the rest of this roof framed up. If you guys hadn't checked out my page yet and subscribe to it, please do so if you would, and give me a like, and if you got any comments, leave a comment in there and I'll try to get back with you. Thanks. Great progress on this job while we started the other one up the bayou here. You see it's coming together really, really good. Getting the boat lifts installed, the roof's framed up. Time to get the roofs stocked out with the shingles. A little bit easier way to get them up there with the tractor. Just got to distribute them amongst the top of the roof. Everything tidied up now, getting the barges out of here. Guys are pretty close to having everything done. They're finishing up with a couple of diagonal braces that we're putting on underneath. The tide's a little bit too high to cut off some of those bolts on that lower catwalk right there for the paddle boards and kayaks and all that. So we'll get back once the tide drops a little bit and get those knocked out. Waiting on an electrician, get everything wired up, and it should be good to go. This project turned out beautiful. Chase was my foreman on this project, lead carpenter. He takes very much pride in everything he does. We still got to come back with a pressure washer once we get water on the dock and get it all cleaned off. We'll get it all looking good and rinsed down for the customer. You can see we got the through flow decking out here. This is our custom style, which is picture framed on the outside. White piling caps on top. Large pilings. All these pilings are in excess of 10 foot in the ground. They're all driven into a clay layer that was down there. Drove through the mud into the clay. You see it's a hip style boathouse with a sun deck covered area so they can sit there in the shade. 20,000 pound golden sea dry boat lift inside, and a little lower swim platform here for getting on and off the kayaks and paddle boards easier. Off to the side we got a 10,000 pound 4 piling golden sea dry boat lift also. If you look up in the roof, we're really proud of how we design and build our roofs. It's all open area, so no birds have minimal places to perch and mess on the boat. Gives you a big open area where you can lift the tall boats up inside of the roof and keep it protected from the sun. I believe all in all it might have been a total of 3 weeks total on this project, so these guys got on here and knocked it out pretty quick. Looks really good, proud of it. Here's the project we started last week, actually Friday. Already got the pole set, the dock built, the weir deck decking installed. Now the guys are starting with rafters. I'll be videoing this and posting it next. Hey y'all, thanks for continuously checking out my videos, and if you're new to checking it out, I appreciate it. If you would, give me a subscribe and give me a thumbs up and share. If you got any comments, leave them right here on the page. I can get back to you a lot easier here than going through the emails. While I'm sitting on the tractor, I try to answer some of the questions. But if you'd like to see more of our projects, you can go to the Facebook page /Dales Marine.